Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're meeting for the first time, then I'm Mohana. I'm an artist. I work with mixed media. I create mandalas and also I'm a calligrapher. You can check me out on Instagram at the rate Sway That Brush for some daily dose of art. I'll link my page down in the description. I am really excited you could join me today. Now, many of you have asked me how I create mandala, so I made this video to show you how I create a mandala with some simple patterns. Okay guys, now just before we go ahead and dive into today's tutorial, consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so that way you will stay updated with my art process videos and tutorials where I'll be showing you some of my techniques and easy way to make them on your own. And with that, let's get started with today's video. Now I'll be using this brown sketchbook which is of A5 size from Ayush paper. Also, I've mentioned all the products that I've used down in the description. I'll be using a scale and mechanical pencil. First, I'm going to find out the midpoint of this paper. Measure the sides of your page, divide it into vertical and horizontal halves. The point where both the lines cross is the center of your page. Now place your protractor in such a way that its center is exactly on the center of the page. Now mark angles at 10 degrees each and connect it to the center. This will create a 36 equal sections. Make sure all the lines cross through the center so that you'll get perfect sections. When you're connecting the points, ensure that every line passes through the center. This should be done carefully to ensure uniformity of the patterns. Now using the same center, I'll be drawing concentric circles with the help of this canvas. I have sketched out these outer shapes of my mandala using a pencil. I'll be using a white gel pen from Uniball. Start sketching out the outer pattern of mandala. Using some simple fillers, I'm going to fill out these patterns. giving out this double outline to every shape because it looks neat and it gives a clear distinction between the layers, and also it kind of looks detailed. I hope you like this tutorial. If you try recreating this, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you stay safe and happy creating. Bye.